We had a goal of renovating this 1928 Tudor. We really wanted to cherish the original integrity and era of the home, but we also knew it was important to modernize it, bring it forward another 100 years for a new family to enjoy. That includes a lot of the kitchen amenities that you see around me, all new custom cabinetry out of our cabinet shop, which we designed, built, and installed with our team. Beautiful updated tiles from Jeffrey Court. And then of course the light fixtures is one of the more obvious places where we've brought in a modern flair. One of the best parts of doing the whole house renovation are the design selections. I quickly get excited when it comes to tile. In the kitchen, rather than doing a tile backsplash wall to wall and behind the sink, we just did a very specific statement wall above the range. We selected one of the new marble field tiles out of the Chapter 15 from Jeffrey Court. A really cool thing about this tile is an actual botanical imprint right on top of the marble, which lends itself to the classic character and timeless vibe of this entire house. We selected the TRIBUNE MOSAIC, which we see here in navy blue, in our powder bath. And the really cool thing about these tiles is they are a matte colored glass in a soft floral pattern. One of the first design decisions we made in the second story was the tile in the kids' bath. I knew from the onset we wanted to add the Union Mosaic tile from Jeffrey Court with a geometric pattern, also in a beautiful matte glass. That made the decision to paint all of the trim and doors in this beautiful gray tone and keep the walls white and bright as it complemented the black and white floor tiles. The master bathroom ended up being one of the most important rooms in the whole house. This was once a bedroom, and we decided to eliminate the fourth bedroom so that we could accommodate a true master suite on the second story. We also wanted this to be a sanctuary and a spa-like place for the homeowners to spend some quiet time away from the remainder of the home. To accomplish this, we selected all honed marble tile for the walk-in shower, which features a herringbone mosaic on the wall and a round mosaic on the floor. We replaced the tile of the fireplace hearth, along with the tile in the front entry. And here we just selected a very neutral matte black glass tile. We have been very intentional about every single selection that we made. There's no detail that's missed, which actually makes projects like these a ton of fun. We get to work with some of our favorite partners in the industry. We are really excited for another 100 years of livable space, and we hope that you guys have enjoyed this project just as much as we have.